thing is nuts. This is the GT3R Rennsport that Champion Porsche just got, and this is just nuts. As you can see, guys, this is 4.2 liter flat six, full race car transmission, everything. Hey Matt, how many of these are in the world? 77. One of 77 in the entire world. Everybody say hi to Matt. What do we got going on today, dude? So I have a little bit of a surprise. I know whose car this is. Do you know who it is? You want me to tell you? Ever heard of a guy called Stradman? Dude, that is nuts. Dude, what's up, man? How are you? Dude, this is nuts.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it in there.
Dude, everybody say hi. This is Mr. E3 himself. Yeah. Well, one of two. The other guy is fashionably late, but this is nuts. Yeah. So here we are. James's full pink inside, which is ridiculous. I can't see. I literally cannot see out of this thing. Like, that's the rear. I seriously can't see out of this thing. I hope I don't hit. This thing is wide. Hold on. There we go. And it's just that. Pull the window up and flip. Nuts. Dude, this thing is ridiculous. Guys, this thing is nuts. I've never seen anything like this before. Full carbon body. Wow. Hello, everybody. Introduce yourself.
I'm Matt.
This is Matt from E3. As you guys probably already saw earlier, he's going to do a full walk around of everything that he did with this Aventador. What do you even call this thing?
This is a Duke Dynamics carbon wide body kit.
Okay, so the Duke Dynamics is like the one that I recently did on that Rivolto, which was that lime green one.
Yes.
Big fin in the back and everything. Okay, so this, yeah. So for the longest time I thought it was like a Liberty Walk kit.
No, there's a couple different wide body kits, especially for the Aventadors, but this one's almost a full replacement carbon body.
Nice.
So like everything is replaced. It's not just over fenders or anything like that.
So this is full carbon everything, which is nuts, as you guys could see. This is nuts. All right, now tell me everything you did.
The whole inside.
Okay, here we go. Let's take a look. Wow.
Yeah, so this is actually a fuchsia leather that we had custom made to this pinstripe.
Yeah.
And it's the only car with this exact leather in it. And the process we went to do like this stencil design on the leather is something new. Nobody's really ever done anything like this before, but this is actually printed on the leather, and it's done in a way where it's almost indestructible. Lacquer thinner doesn't.
What do you mean?
Like, you can't rub this off. Lacquer thinner won't get it off. The only thing we managed to get it to come apart was acetone. So I mean, wow. That is permanent. It is now the leather. So we did everything. Headliner, all of it. And actually, he's going to leave it with us. He wants to do the floor too. So the whole carpet will be...
So all of this is going to be pink as well?
Pink leather, yeah. We probably should have talked to him about it beforehand, but he just saw it and he was like, I think we need more.
So Matt, so this is printed onto here?
Yeah, technically it's a dye or a paint, but
okay.
We use a sticker plotter to make that design. And the whole idea was to try and get it to fade to black. He originally wanted it to be a black fade to fuchsia, but the color difference was too much.
Yeah.
That the in-between looked really bad, blotchy. So that's why we came up with a gradient design. And if you just take a couple steps back, it actually does turn black. So it kind of achieved what we were going for, but...
oh, you're right. Yeah.
That's the best that we could do with the leather. We tried for months actually to get this process ironed out.
Yeah.
Right? And now it's pretty cool because we can do literally anything on leather. anything you want, we can actually put on top of leather now.
That's incredible, dude. For real. This is incredible work. Now, you did the wheels too, or the wheels came?
They were originally I think they were like a brushed anodized color.
Yeah.
Same with the brakes. The brakes, I forget what color they were. I don't remember if they were orange or if they were black, because the original car is orange underneath the only piece that's not carbon, which is the roof, which technically is carbon. But, painted. But those were done by Euroworks. They took them off, painted them, color matched them as best they could. And we just actually did that. I think on Tuesday we got them back because that was the last minute ad.
Dude, this is killer work, dude. Everybody, welcome back to the channel, Mr. Matthew Ori, everybody.
What's up?
What do you think?
Dude, I'm honestly kind of speechless.
Don't lie because you're on camera right now. Be honest.
No,
Be honest for everybody.
This is dope. Look, have you showed them the interior?
Yeah, I already did a whole walk around.
Dude, that's freaking insane.
But we're here to get your opinion on it.
I drive it.
Would you?
Look at all the carbon.
Okay, so this is your first time seeing the Duke Dynamics wide body kit for the Aventador.
Okay.
What's your favorite wide body kit for the Lamborghini?
No, don't put me. Whoa! Don't
Come on, let's hear it.
No.
Let's hear it. Does it start with an L?
No. Oh, you know what? Liberty Walk got it.
Oh. All right, guys, so you've seen the car, you've talked to Matt, you've seen Eric, you've seen everything about this car from the Duke Dynamics kit to the interior job. They did a phenomenal job, but now I have somebody very special here. Let me flip it over. I have Mr. James here.
Yes, dude.
How are you, man? It's nice to meet you. I'll hand
so
you
much.
the camera.
Yes.
Introduce yourself.
Yes.
Tell everybody what you do.
I'm
where you came
James.
from.
I'm the Stradman. I got a YouTube channel. I live out in Utah. We got the full carbon Aventador with the fresh interior from E3 Upholstery. Turned out absolutely amazing. We're here at Champion Porsche. Bro, this room is ridiculous.
It's nuts.
You gonna shoot in here all the time?
All the time.
It's crazy.
So I actually did my RS delivery in
Oh,
here.
you did?
If you guys don't remember my old video.
Okay. Yeah,
So,
this is just ridiculous. This interior turned out so amazing though. I cannot get over it. All the little details are just so sick. Oh my gosh. Check this out. Whoa. Yeah, this might be my favorite car. I think so. What about like?
Well,
you're a Porsche guy. You're a Porsche guy, right?
Not the Koenigsegg?
Well, the Koenigsegg, like this car is so much more drivable. It's so much easier to go out and rack up miles. Koenigsegg, you're like, every single time I drive the Koenigsegg, I was like, are these miles worth it? Are they not worth it? Are they worth it? It's like you're playing these mind games. Whereas in this car, Bugatti was sick. I love the Veyron, but it's a V12.
Oh, God.
Dude, it shoots fire out the exhaust, right?
Oh, you could have this, you could have this, you could have this, you could have this. But you can't go wrong with a V12.
No, you can't.
That's everybody's last name.
Exactly, I know. And in a V12, well, these cars are getting harder and harder to find. Nobody's doing them anymore.
Is this your first one or your second one?
I have two Aventadors.
You have the pink one.
I have the pink Roadster. E3 did the white interior on that, and then but I had this one before the Roadster. So I bought this. This was orange, Oroncio Argos.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. It was Argos, then it got wrapped purple camo, then it was blue, then it was green. Now it's full carbon. I think this is like the final iteration, the final version. Oh. I think.
I can't keep up with you. I can't keep up with you.
Damn, Eric!
Damn!
Dude!
You know, Matt said he's never even seen this car.
Dude, that thing is sick!
The guy like behind us.
Is that on air suspension?
Yes,
Hell yeah! I was about to say, there's no way you're riding that static.
I just put a clutch in.
Dude!
All right, everybody. I'll let you guys determine this in the video. Does that man right there look like Patrick Mahomes? That's crazy. Ready to go have fun? What's going on, guys? This all happened spontaneous, sporadically, but big shout out to Eric and Mitra from Champion Porsche and E3 Customs and Matt at E3 Customs putting this together. As you guys probably saw, James Stradman himself down here in sunny South Florida. It's currently 90 degrees out here. He's picking up his Lamborghini Aventador. He's behind me right now. And let me see if I can get him to come by. Blistering exhaust, but again, enjoy guys. Enjoy the video. We're gonna go shoot, have fun, talk for a little bit, but this is just too awesome. I gotta say, Matt, Duke Dynamics kit actually looks good in the sun. For real. Whole carbon fiber kit. It's the first time I've ever seen it. And obviously, as you guys can see, Eric's job on the car looks incredible, the full pink. And honestly, it looks like something out of like Cyberpunk or something like that. But, all right, I gotta ask. If you could change any color from the pink, what would you do? Blue, red, orange? Don't say green.
No. It would either be blue or it might have to go with some sort of gray. Keep it kind of simple.
It's like a lighter gray on the carbon?
Lighter gray. Like, nah, I wouldn't say chalk, but like something like that.
Okay, I can see what you're going with. Incredible car. All right, there's like a method to get inside of this. Like squat, butt in first. There we go. Okay. Goodbye, gentlemen. Eric, you did a great job. Matthew, love you. All right, so just finished up shooting. Hope you guys enjoyed all that footage. James is behind me. Gonna do rolling shots now. But anyway, yeah, so big shout out to James. Great guy, just been working phenomenal with him. He's very open, very down to earth, very informative, and just great to work with so far. So yeah, so we're gonna go do photo and video rollers, and I hope you guys enjoy. Maybe get some sound clips of his full straight pipe V12 setup. So. Spontaneously. I have my audio in here, so it sounds like I'm pretty loud. If I'm being loud, I apologize. It's windy, it's a beautiful evening, and I hope you guys enjoyed, guys. Again, appreciate everything, the comments, the subscriptions, the messages, everything. I appreciate it all. You guys continue to allow me to do what I love for a living, and I'm forever blessed for that. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, later, guys.